Yeah, meet Charles show ni meet Charles show. Me tell you way, but and then my heart dem many aje. Me count the Manchester City versus Inter Milan final, UEFA Champions League final. I think sir many are shocked and obi ya dinner say you can only praise. Me nya kwenya hwe match ne kakra. I'm say scoreline here 1-0 Man City share Inter Milan 1-0 at the left UEFA Champions League final match. But we had time ago in the bar and I mean all statistics in the match, in favor Manchester City. We had passes, possession. We had I mean anything in it aside even counter attacks. Passes and possession and normal statistics kakra here of football in favor Man City and to left take up and na enya the fufro. But oh you're a fan of Man City, I think say no any budget. Oh UK, oh free UK say I think say it's a moment UK when they budget because it could appear say it's the first time on Moji Champions League. Sana Martin say it's the first time of this team lifting the UEFA Champions League. Chelsea AJ, Man U AJ, Liverpool AJ. I mean the big teams in UK AJ UEFA Champions League final no. And in the Man City and the room also abrabom no bibia enemra eba. Omre no so it will come. Omre no so it will come. Meet Charles show in our way. Or YouTuber, what you can do and say, subscribe to this channel. You didn't come out about Man City and Inter Milan final match on mobile. Yeah, we are seeing what's your take? Maybe some major question. Show we mention. Maybe some simple question. To dabe na Ghana football. Maybe do some pempens we be say. Ghana football be unattractive. Uti 20 year boy. Or say Ghana football is dead. Tony Yeboah claims. Say Ghana football is dead. Do you agree to Asema Tony Yeboah Ekaina na? Say Ghana football is actually dead. You agree to that? And I say Ojidi say I was say yeah ignore the Tony Yeboah kan anymore na. Yeah, Jitum said the football is not dead, it's really alive. Do you believe in that? So Ghana football is dead, and I say it's not dead. And what can we do? What can Ghana do to bring the game of football to this level? Ohen omo pitch. Omo ayesho omo Man City in Inter Milan. Baby omo bobono. How the game is organized. The football field. The refereeing. The linesmen omo playing. The VAR, the video assistant program Omuyusu. I mean, the spectators, how organized they are. The chanting. Dabena Ghana football. Every group pempens will be say. I'm only asking no. Dabena Ghana football. Ebedru this limit. UEFA Champions League night. Man City has lifted the cup, the trophy. Oh, yeah, Man City fan am chiao. Match me team 4-0. Yeah. And one thing is as a football and follow logic because okay, and you may match yeah, omo boy yeah. Menya konya ehwe kakra. I watch just few not even more than 20 minutes. Men you took the 20 minutes to assess the whole match, but me hwe Madrid ball amone Man City ball yeah. Omutimi say Madrid 4-0 no. It means Pep Guardiola came into the game to score Madrid. Their plan was to score Madrid and get to the final. Because Real Madrid ball, yeah. Man City, to me, show me 4-0. Now, ball, International Milan ball, yeah. Man City, it me show me 1-0 now. That's a football. And follow logic and power. Football doesn't follow logic. Oh yeah, Man City fan I mean, it's a good day, it's a good time, it's a good night for you. My fans in Ghana, my fans in the UK, everywhere in the world, America, Australia, Germany, Holland, Belgium. We are Man City fan. I will meet Charles shows see I'm I'm happy for you. Somebody my left cap maybe. And Pep Guardiola seems to appears as the best coach now. You deserve everything tonight, and you deserve the praise. But my question is that Ben Ghana football. You did do some pimples your way. When? Pitch papa bi omubo ball so. You have some fertile landing in our wall. So be astroturf, so be white turf. We have the people to help. Ye jai corruption wo hen. Ye jai corruption wo hen. Na yakoye football pitch papa. Ye ma economy na improve wo hen. Na nipa nyeska to mbotom e de bi akohwe ball. Na nse mu say Inter FM survey bi say amanfo ko stadium kohwe ball and what could be the cause. The only cause is a football in Efe. Ghanaian football abaye unattractive. Abaye unattractive. Again, sikani amanfo ho. Saka obi 50 cities onko yi sikani kohwe ball e mechire kom ofie. The economy is not that one so we say osika ekotena stadium. And here 1, 2, football in Ghana is like I said, Tony Eboa say a whoop. How do we lift the game of football again? Yenim kura football and a man Ghana jidi more. Abroche obi a watu kwa call Europe in America. When people meet you, they mention the name of footballers, not even the name of your president. Asamoah Gyan, Sule Muntari, Abedi Pele, Tony Eboa. Omo players on ball taking when the people of Turkey, I mean the Turkish, when they meet you, they're able to mention the name of Ghanaian players. They don't even know the name of your president. Why can't we upgrade? Why can't we lift the game? Why can't we save Ghana football? Pitch, Papa football. The spectators, I mean, how they are cheering their teams. Obi at my physical free. Central Europe, ako hungry, ako hebo. And let me tell you, they buy the ticket 2 months or a month away. Some even buy 3 months away. Because when we saw you do a beko. Second who want me check ticket into 3 months old. Second who bottom but me get ticket. I told 3 months. And 2 months before the final day. No. Second who how? Your talent are Ghana produce. How people have followed football. A Ghana football to me back to this level. What are we doing? What can Ghana do to raise the game of football? My own saying people are buying ACCC facilities. Previous government NDC Stadium. And then also BM, do we need professionals to train these kids? And also obi ya didn't name ya bese ya baba na baso. Ala any what time essay game na. Is Ghana football really alive? Name obi na what time essay na. And also comments like football is unattractive. Comments like football is dead in Ghana and correct. When will Ghana be able to get to this level of a Champions League final? Even before the final, okay, the way we see ball. Or semi-finals, no. Or quarter-finals, no. Prelims, no. Group stages, no, as for. How are European football? I said developing. What are we doing? Your talent, no. Your uncrossing ball. Your coach is Papa or Ghana, or they can go for training. Can we build more facilities? What are we doing as a nation? This is Meet Child So okay, Mrs. Here, what you can do is to subscribe. We have sports updates, and I'm there, mom. Manchester United, Manchester City, excuse my language. Manchester City, at my lifted the cup. The UEFA Champions League final, no? Man City tomorrow. What's your take? What can Ghana do to bring football, the game of football, to this level? What's your take on that? Let me hear from you. Leave your comment or your answer in the comment section, and I'll get back to you. Save Ghana sports. Save Ghana football. It's my concern tonight. Meet Child Show. Macron. Dasene Mesa Bounty.